Hi, I'm Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks for watching Brent Speed TV. 2016 Mustang today, running the Roush Phase 1 Supercharger kit. I'm going to make a couple back-to-back dyno pulls so you can check out the numbers, but I have Doug here. Let's look at the Supercharger. I'll show you what it is. It's a TVS 2.3 liter. It's intercooled, and it's the complete kit. So it comes with a Roush calibration, fuel injectors. You get a new air induction system as well as a set of spark plugs. Now, this kit is rated at 670 flywheel horsepower. And then you can opt for a Phase 2 upgrade, which is a new pulley, new calibration, and a fuel pump upgrade. But this is the Phase 1 kit. I'm gonna make a couple pulls. We also did a cooler thermostat and some Stainless Works catback system, which I think sounds awesome. Deletes the resonator. It's a cool kit. I'll let you hear what it sounds like. But let's watch these dyno pulls. As much as I love Superchargers, one of my favorite things about this car is this quarter glass decal right here. It was on the car when it came in, but I love America, I love the American flag. I think that's awesome. And it's one of the ways you can like look out, you can see out of it, but you can't see in. That is sick. Really cool RTR wheels. Let's look at the numbers. 2 in a row. Now I went up to 6,500 RPM because the Roush Cal has about 150 mile an hour-ish speed limiter. So in 5th gear, I was hitting the speed limiter, so it shut down at about 6,500. Numbers still came out really good. 574.85, 575.65, SAE rear wheel, and then torque, awesome, 494 and 489. And again, right-hand hammer it, torque comes up, car will be really, really fast. It'll feel fast. I love that Supercharger kit, and I love the fact it's upgradable. As a matter of fact, I ran that same Supercharger on my 16 Mustang, but with a lot more mods, and that car would drive to the track. It was an auto though, and run 990s. And then if we trailered it to the drag strip and had good weather, it'd run around 970s. So it's a seriously upgradable Supercharger, but for those of you with more of a street car, it's a great kit you can just put on, make good power, comes with a calibration, and it's upgradable. So in the description, I will put some links on how to get a quote on this, as well as the exhaust. And I'll put a link to that Phase 2 upgrade I kept talking about. Have a question, leave a comment. I'm happy to answer. Thanks. Oh, and that exhaust sound, remember, Stainless Works catback, and it does delete the resonator. So not only does it sound good, but you're gonna lose quite a bit of weight. So hey, fire it up, let's listen. Exhaust systems right there. I love it. And hey, don't forget, subscribe and notify, stay up to date. Thanks.